This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Regina Scott. Meticulously maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condominium in Barclay Square. This top floor corner unit has a spectacular large floor plan with a large primary bedroom that features a walk-in closet, double vanity dressing area and a full bathroom. The well-laid-out kitchen includes all appliances and opens to the adjacent dining space. Flowing off the living room is a wonderful sunroom which looks out over the wooded common area at the back of the building. The entire home is heated and cooled with central air. Stacked washer and dryer convey with the home. Each unit includes one reserved covered parking space. Worried? There is not enough storage space? Fear not. There is a locked storage space designated for this unit in the covered parking area. Bonus water, sewer and trash fees are covered by the condo association dues. Don't let this one get away. October 25, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Regina Scott at 757-873-6900.